Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs. So let's get started here. This is the chart that I want to show, and it is made on the 26th September. This is yen index weekly chart, showing Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're supposed to go up for wave 5. So what happened to this chart is this. So we went there nice and clean for the wave 5 and kind of like stopping it. So I said, okay, this is probably it. And the target was 58.56. So it is like probably, I see this yellow mark showing that it might go up, touch that 58.56 and then drop. That's exactly what happened. This is how it is. This is wave 5 and it's supposed to come down here for wave 8. So this chart basically went up, touched, and then dropped. Let me show it to you. And here it is. See that? This shooting star kind of, black candle with a big wick. It went up, touched 58.56, and then start dropping all the way here. And we are sitting exactly above this number here, which I said that we're going to drop here. And then if we break below, continue breaking, we're going to go here. If not, we might bounce a little bit, make like a head and shoulder pattern. Here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then drop. These are the two possibilities. So we are at the first station already right now. And then notice that when I made this chart on the 26th November, I wrote down here that what will happen if it start to go down. For example, this is the one, right? So I said, okay, this is probably going to happen, and all yen pairs will be going down also. If this index goes down, all yen pair goes down. So let me show you what happened to these all yen pairs. Starting from Aussie yen, just look at this month of November. The first of November, this yellow horizontal line here. November starts, and look at that. What happened on November? Euro yen. This is the 1st November, and look what happened. Pound yen. Look what happened. It went up a little bit because of the pound strength, and then start dropping here again. CAD yen, boom. Franc yen, that's what happened. All this horizontal line is November 1st. USD yen, down. USD yen, this is the only pair that went up, down, ranging, because not only yen index is getting strong, but the US dollar also getting strong. That's why when two currencies all together getting strong or weaker, pair goes into ranging. So USD yen up, down, up, down, up, and then again down. Let me show you the US dollar index. This is what it did. The month of November is starting from here. So you see, it went up, getting strong, and then yen on the other side getting strong. Yen got drunk, right? Wobbling up and down and up and down. So this is what happened to yen pairs. Now, what I did with my Magic IB system, knowing that they're all going to go down, these are the trades that I took in yen pairs, all to the downside, as I said. Yen, Aussie yen, short here. This was the trade also, but I kind of lost the chart, so I don't have it to show it to you. And after that, Aussie yen again from there, and then this one, and then it went up, and then this one. I don't have the chart, so I don't remember if I took it or not. But this one, right, 75 pip here. This is Aussie yen. The CAD yen. This is the one on the 19th November. Pound yen, 22nd October. The chart I made for yen was 17th, right? So the next week was 2nd October, sell, and 110 pip. Then 2nd November again, 425 pip, sell order here, right? All of this, yen pair. This is, I took it from the 40-minute chart because the 20-minute left the station early, and I was like kind of missed it. So I said, okay, I'm going to go short anyway because of the fundies, the news, and all of that were pointing a big drop. So it did 200 pip. Euro yen, to the downside, 50 pip on the 22nd November. Euro yen on 27th November. That was the first one I just showed you. This is the second one. 12th November, again, the short 85 pip. Euro yen again here for 140 pip on the 19th November. So all of these yen short trades in just the month of November. Some of those were like in October, right? So this is the power of the analysis. You have the right analysis, and if the trade start to happen, the moves start to happen in the same direction as you predicted, start taking the entries. This was the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. All of these are entries. Similarly, not only the Elliott wave count, for example, these were Elliott wave, right? So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is what happened. You know, it was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it comes down to A, B, C, which is doing right now. It is also you have like a different perspective of looking at these Elliott waves, because when Elliott wave goes, they make certain patterns within them, right? We call them harmonic patterns, right? So, for example, and they also work because they're part of the Elliott wave. For example, if I show you that US dollar, not US dollar, let me see, the gold chart that I've had this chart made on the 14th November, and you can see that the blue count XABCD, it was like wave 1 and ABC correction for wave 2, an Elliott wave, but this is how it is. And then you can see here, this was a bearish girdle supposedly going down from there because it is at 78%, the final target. And then within that pattern, we also have XABCD. This is a different kind of pattern. It's called extended pattern, and it's called bearish butterfly pattern. Both are bearish, and both have their target here, final destination, and from there, it's supposed to be going down. They're supposed to go down, and they're both bearish. So what happened to this chart? You see this started to come down slowly, and then boom, came down. So this is also, you know, it's like if you learn a little bit of Elliott wave, and then these patterns within them, how they show up and how they're made and how they execute, life becomes easy. Right? Trading is like then, you know, walk in a park kind of thing. So I just wanted to share with you that, you know, this is all about learning. If you learn all this mumbo jumbo, then, you know, and you can trade anything, any instrument, either it is, you know, Forex or crypto or metal or anything at all, you know, commodity, stocks, anything you can have. An MT4 you can trade, or MT5, you know, with the analysis. But my system, which is taking the entry, is it is for MT4. So, you know, you can literally trade anything you want. So I will encourage, if you really want to learn, you can go on my website here, right, myforexmagicweb.com, and you know, use this button, subscribe. Or if you are in need of learning from A to Z from the beginning and become master of this market, about, you know, all the analysis, the Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, S&R levels, trend lines, channels. I've been trading for more than like 12 years now, and I've been through all of that. So yeah, so see this US dollar index here? This was my chart that this is going to be going up there. It is on 29th May I made this chart. And look what happened to this as of today, or the last week, Friday, on the 24th, reached the target after 6 months. And because of that, you have 7 USD pair, and you could have, you know, trade all of those pairs at will without any problem. You know, 4 pairs would go when the USD gets strong. 4 pairs will go down, like Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie, and USD, and 3 pair will go up: USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen. So easy peasy, right? So like I said, that if you want, and, you know, on one-on-one, this is the course, like 10-hour teaching me personally on Zoom, and showing my charts and this and that, and then, you know, set up your charts, almost A to Z, simple as that. A to Z, anything has to do with Forex trading or trading at all, right? Yeah, that's what it is. This course is 10 hours and it's intense. And but the thing is, at the end of the road, you will have this market under your foot. All right, so this is how it is. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the weekend, whatever it is, Sunday. Only one day left. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.